Nothing.
Yeah, what'd you just get?
A pocket knife.
Mm. How many times have you used it?
This is my first time.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you have to do before you could use it?
Read the whole book.
Yeah? Are you pretty excited about our time whittling together?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you show me what you've done so far? Yeah. Can you show me your knife? Yeah.
It's sharp.
What kind is it?
Red Ryder.
Red Ryder. Can you tell me some of the things you learned about safety?
Always go away from yourself.
Yeah. What else did you learn?
To sharpen it, you go that way and that way.
Yep. Very carefully, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Do you leave knives laying out?
Nope.
No. Do you walk with it open?
No.
No. It looks like you're going to have some good whittling days ahead of you.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Doing a good job, bud.